This is how decentralized identity and verified credentials will work in our new project. So imagine Bob, who is working in a Google, and he's doing, let's say, engineering jobs, right? So building a bunch of projects, fixing bugs, etc. So here, these are tasks that Bob is doing on a daily basis or based on milestones or based on highlights, whatever. So these are contributions that Bob is doing in this company. So here, this is a David. David is in this case, let's say, project manager. And David is looking to the tasks and see whether Bob's accomplished some tasks or not. So now let's imagine that Bob did some tasks and David said that, okay, Bob finished this task, and now that David is saving this task as a credential in a decentralized database, which is IPFS. So we are saving this as a credentials just for a future to verify that actually Bob actually did this task, and this task was about, let's say, JavaScript, and there's a URL, and this is what was done exactly. So imagine Bob changed a job and now he's working in Amazon. But if we will consider the legacy approach, like nowadays approach, is that Bob has to from scratch start proving his knowledge and skills to the new manager, or provide some kind of bullshit recommendation letter, which doesn't mean anything. So we want to solve this problem by providing very granular verified credentials, what Bob has done in the past. So this is how we are doing. So we think that with this solution, we can solve this issue. So imagine there's a Simon, the new manager, and new manager now is interested in what Bob has done in the past and what is his skill set and what exactly he's capable of. So what we can do is like from IPFS database that we mentioned in the past, Simon can now understand very easily by pulling all the information from this IPFS database, what is the exactly skill set of the Bob, what kind of task has been done in the past, and what is basically all the capability in a very granular view. Also, Simon can add the new credentials in a same database. So what's happening is that Bob is collecting all the verified credentials. So basically he's generating decentralized portfolio. Think about that like a decentralized LinkedIn, but in a very granular way. So instead of just recommendation letters or just mentioning the past jobs, here you have all the very detailed contribution history, what you've done in the past, what kind of skills you have, what exactly you contributed, and what is your knowledge right now. So that's it. That is how the verified credentials and decentralized identity works